Okay, here we have Shankaran who cleared PMP and a first shot with above target in all five domains. You can see the proudness in his face now.
Right.
So Shankaran, congratulations from Sri Learning and our team. So excited. And I know you cleared 3 hours back or 2 hours back.
Yes, 2 hours back.
Two
It's now
hours.
12 o'clock. I cleared by 10 o'clock. Yeah.
You know what? When you take the exam, the day before itself, you get literally exhausted as a preparation stuff. After the exam gets over, you will think you will sleep and take rest. But
Okay.
actually, after the exam is done, with the excitement, you won't feel sleepy. You will feel like, let
That's
me
right.
do more. Let me do more.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
great.
right.
So first of all, congratulations. And one thing I
Thank
want
you.
to you, I found you're so consistent in preparation. I was seeing regularly or above 75, 80%. And you maintained it. I was really surprised that I see many candidates suffer in this preparation. They'll drop down again, you come drop down, but you are able to be very consistent and very disciplined, right? Um, Talk about how it happened and a little on the preparation tips. Maybe it will help some guys. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. I'm Shankaran. To begin with, I joined the class in the month of April batch. So my way of preparation has been I took notes when the class was happening, and whatever is taught in the class, I just glance through those relevant portions in either PIMBOK or HeadFirst. So the first thing, as many people would have already told you, just choose a book which suits you. I tried going through Rita. I could not find it comfortable. So I just glanced through the relevant portions in the first reading. That is when the classes are going on. Parallelly, whatever is being taught in those 1 week, you can just glance that particular relevant chapter. Once the classes is over, that is after the first 1 month of preparation, then I went through the entire book once again, PIMBOK as well as Head First. So in the second reading, your clarity would improve. I mean, you can correlate to what you have read in the first time and what you have actually listened in the class. So that was in the second month. So I've broken my preparation into 3 months. That is first April, May, and then June. So almost 3 months. In the second phase, I was going through this part, wherein I was going through the second reading of PIMBOK as well as the head first book. And parallelly, I started attempting the mock questions.
Hmm.
Now the thing is, there are various mock preparatory exams. One is in Simplilearn, one is Prepcast, and there is already one repository given by shared by Rahul in a shared drive. So
Right.
now from there you can randomly pick questions whatever you can get your hands on. But the point to be noted here is I opened an Excel sheet, and
Hmm.
in the Excel sheet I noted down my right questions, my wrong questions, and where I went wrong. So that is one factor which I kept on improving. So from there on, I started taking the prepcast. Now the prepcast is actually consisting of total 7 full-length tests. Now the thing is, you start a prepcast and then you have to go through the entire 200 questions. So I chose all my prepcasts in such a way that it is more or less on the same day of the week and in the same time and preferably in the same location where I actually attend the exam. So with that, 1 week you attempt the prepcast and then you open up the debrief. That takes about 5 to 6 days. If you actually religiously sit down, open each question, write down the reason why you went wrong, and even for a question which you attempted right, it is not always possible that the reasoning which you gave and the reasoning which the prepcast
Perfect.
given are matching. So
Perfect.
even for the right question also, there will be a lot of analysis and takeaways from it.
Right.
So those kind of takeaways I used to write in a separate notebook and every prepcast. So that was my important repository. And
Great.
then about that, nothing much. And then one more good thing about prepcast is that you will have your knowledge area wise debrief. So those data also I used to feed in an Excel sheet. Now I know which knowledge area I am getting weak or maybe getting strong. So in the third month of preparation, once you've completed the second reading of PIMBOK and second reading of your head first, in the third reading, you can go back to those areas where you know that you are lacking the understanding, lacking the thought process, and then probably try to build up on it. So that's about the preparation.
Perfect, perfect. Great, man. That's, I think, important tips. Say, I like the tips, what you said. Notes taking habit is very important. So this is the reason the class people start writing down and also notes on ourselves. Every exam, you note down which area I'm going down, which kind of questions I'm pulling down, right? Noting down. And also, like the interesting point, what he said is, even if it's a correct, don't take it for granted. Maybe our logic is wrong than the book logic, but still, luckily, you got the answer correct. Right? This all evaluation is very important. Great, super, Shankar. Anything on the food habits with this particular vegetable you have to eat?
Nothing of that sort. Nothing of that sort.
So what's the reading pattern per day? How many hours do you go to the books?
No. My reading pattern is like for the first 1 month, initial 1 month, when you find something interesting, I used to put in about 1.5 to 2 hours per day. And in the second month also, I could somehow maintain that consistency. But in the last 1 month, due to my office commitments, it actually dropped down. But still, it is like the foundation. Once you have made it very strong, so you still know that okay, you just have to glance through once again to the topic so that you can build up on the. But
Perfect.
on an average, I would recommend at least minimum 1.5 to 2 hours per day, solid for a period of 2 to 3 months. That's it. I started on 14th April. This now I'm just less than 3 months exactly.
Sounds
So
good.
2 hours per day should be fair enough.
Sounds good. By the way, Shankar, how is your real experience plays a role? Did it add value when you prepare and go for the
Yeah,
exam?
definitely. Like for example, there are certain tricky scenarios, especially in your resource management, when you handle people conflicts, how you resolve them,
Okay.
and maybe scenarios where you are doing some procurement. So those kind of things. I mean, it depends on your professional field in which you're working. So things which are actually pertinent to your real life, that would also add on to a
Got you. Got
having
it.
some kind of knowledge on that particular
Right.
area.
How many years experience you come, Shankar?
I have completed now close to 9 years of experience and 9 plus 2, close to 11 years. 2 years I was working in a different company and for now 9 years I'm in
9 years?
for now.
Man, you don't look like it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's a good way of maintaining yourself. Well and good. By the way, tell me, did you find agile questions? Because agile questions is shaking the market now.
No. There
There.
was no, there absolutely no agile question.
Okay.
In the
Is there
exam, I
anything?
had about some good amount of questions on change management, and I
Change
had
management.
some about 10 to 12 questions on change management.
Oh,
Then next prominent which I could find was about some 8 to 10 questions directly from ITTOs,
oh.
straightforward question from ITTOs.
But is it
Then
so
I had about
complicated? Straight easy ITTOs.
uh, 3, 4 of them were straightforward, and
Straightforward.
some of them were tricky in the words and maybe the
Jumble.
kind of terminology that they use. But it was ITTOs. It is very evident that it was from ITTOs.
So what's the level of
Then
language used in the question?
level of language when you are used to prepcast, it is okay comparable to prepcast. But
Uh-huh.
yes, the initial 20-25 questions were actually very tough for me.
Uh,
I was actually stumped. Maybe maybe it is just the exam nervousness that gets into you in the initial 20-25 questions.
bouncer ball would have
Where am
come.
Yeah,
Play.
you would have thought, yeah, where am I? What does them and what I've landed into? But after the 20-25 question onwards, I started feeling a bit comfortable. Maybe got into the groove.
True.
Just one suggestion: please read the question very carefully,
Hmm.
and maybe once, twice, or thrice. Yeah, one good thing I found in the exam software, the
Ah,
online proctored software, it has got an option of a strike through. It has
yes.
got an option of a highlighting, and
Yes.
it has got an option of a flagging.
A flag means
Highlight,
review.
review. You can strike through the parts of the question. You
Ah,
can highlight parts of the question or the choices, and you can flag the entire question as well.
the
So
choices can be strike out if I don't want to
If
maybe.
the choice can be striked out, the choice can be highlighted. The question can be striked out, the question can be highlighted, and the entire question can be flagged as well.
Very
So it is actually a very wonderful tool,
useful one.
which I found. Like when you read the question, what I did was I used to highlight the important parts of the question,
Okay.
and in the options, whichever option which you feel that they are not right, you strike them out, and then you can use a different color of highlighter for highlighting 2 or 3 options, and you can come back. And if you still feel the question is doubtful, you can flag the entire question.
Okay. Okay.
The
But did we
software is very useful.
do you have that much of time to do that when you are in the exam? Will you be able to
Uh,
change color?
No. It all depends on your speed. One important thing I forgot to mention was whenever you're taking the mock exams, even when I used to attempt the 10 questions from the Rita book or 10 questions from the head question,
Okay.
even for those 10 questions, I used to note down my timelines and calculate my speed.
Perfect.
So now my speed comes down to less than 1 minute per question. So I found it very comfortable in terms of my time management. Now that thing maybe it will come by practice only. Reading and reading fast.
Time management is very important. People go only for full exam and start the time management. I think you started from the small level itself.
Yeah, I started from the first when you are attempting 10 questions. Now I know I attempted it in 6 minutes. Now I know 10 by 6. That is my speed.
Great.
That's how I started on my speed.
Right. I say so that
you will have time.
The beginning, I said you are very. In the beginning, I said you have a very systematic approach, right? And it comes out of the practice.
Maybe no, that's because of the way I'm what the organization I work in. The way I've been doing for 10 years, I've been in this. So.
Okay, you used with that format of working regularly.
Yeah.
That's great. So, how do you feel? We didn't talk about. Did you feel?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. The funniest part was once you complete the 200th question, you will get that small pop-up. Congratulations! It is time to celebrate and enjoy your success and something. And then what happened? It just goes off blank. And I got a survey.
Okay.
So how was your experience with this? I completed the survey, and then you click next, and the software closes. That's it. Oh. I thought, man, come on. The proctor did not even speak up for a moment.
Okay.
There was only twice I used the chat window. One time during the first break, once your break time starts, you will get a pop-up. You have an optional break now. Do you want to avail it or not?
Okay.
That time you can use the chat window. I said that I'm going out, and she said yes. And then I went and came out. And for the second time, I wanted to drink water.
Okay.
So I did not have any water bottle with me, but it was kept right behind. There was a table where I kept my phone and my ID.
Okay.
For your information, you cannot keep your phone near you.
Yeah.
Once you've done the login process, they will see that it is to be kept at a faraway distance in their side, but not in your hand reach.
Right.
I kept my phone and my ID there. I had also kept a bottle of water there. So midway through the second half of the examination, I just pinged her. I said, I want to drink water. He said, okay, be in the view of the camera, bring the bottle and keep it here. So I drank and kept it here. So that only 2 times I chatted. That's it. And there was no voice conversation between me and the proctor as such.
Yeah, but I think they keep watching you in the video and listen to audio.
Yeah, definitely. They keep watching you.
Okay.
And one more thing that it is actually a mental challenge to sit for 4 hours together non-stop. It is actually more of a mental challenge. You'll find that your concentration is breaking. You will not be able to read the question.
Yeah.
The thing which I used was when you're not able to read or process a question, just skip it. Just put the flag button, skip the question. Don't waste time on it. That is one important tip which I would want to give. I mean, Prepcast maybe prepares you for that. Maybe able to sit down together at a place for 4 hours with your focus.
Most of us come with more than few amount of years of experience. We have a knowledge of management with us. The problem is we cannot answer it as a question. If you ask me to talk as a theory, we'll talk. But if you want to answer as a question, there comes a problem. And also we can't sit in the same place for a while. So for that reason, we need this practice exams. Well, good. Good, man. Now you're top 2% in the world. You're ready to get your certificate. I think they take at least 5-6 working days, PMI, recent days. So your certificate will take some time to complete. So until then, you can see your scorecard in the Pearson EVU, and it has a 5 above target. You can feel proud about it, feel happy about it, right? And that's very important because PMP is one of the most reputed certificate in the world. And if you can achieve it with above target and all, it means you have that energy to leadership track, right? So you are in the right place, in the right time. So that's very important.
Sure.
Great.
Sure.
Good, Shankran. Happy hearing you. And once again, congratulations from the whole team here. And I'm sure you have to give the credit to your family as well, who were not disturbing you while preparing and doing the exam, right? Good. Sure. Congratulations again.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for giving your inputs, right? We'll hear to you more on this. Thank you.
Thank you.